Basma's awareness program Kids Swap started by October of the year 2007 with the launching ceremonies of the program that took place in the different private schools involved in the project. Kids Swap was focused on 4 topics: education, health, lifestyle, and future plans. The program consisted on organizing an activity on each topic. The activity was then followed by a discussion group animated by a psychologist. Students were very excited, yet ready to receive all the instruction to the many steps that the project was offering. The interaction between students and the moderators of Kids Swap led into interesting discussions that allowed them to discover the reality of the deprived families in Lebanon. That reality was really touched by private school students when they headed to public schools and observed how the difference between them and the public school students existed on so many levels. The main challenge for both groups of students were to find out a way of getting into each other's world by accepting the other in his integrity and way of being. Students were then ready to receive the Awareness on Poverty Kids Swap program, who wanted to provide in order to make smaller the gap that separates them from so many Lebanese groups and break this circle they are living in order to go on and discover the real socio-economic situation of the Lebanese people. So they were more than happy to visit dispensaries, get to know how they work, who they help, and they ended by renovating one of them. Also, deprived families' visits and streets were on the program. So interacting with the less fortunate people, being confronted to the harsh reality of poverty throughout the program, allowed participating students to go on in their daily life routine, carrying with them the new experience, the touching moments, but most of all their motivation to pursue the belief of a better tomorrow by leading the flame to the next generation of young teenagers.